Let's say you've been working on a model and now you want to save it for future use so you don't have to retrain it with your data each time. Hugging Face allows us to do this easily. We first want to set our model directory where we want to save our models. So we'll create a folder called My Saved Models. We can then save our model and tokenizer by using the Save Pre-trained method. We just need to provide the model directory of where we want to save the tokenizer and where to save our model. We can then reload our models using from pre-trained. So if we want to load up the tokenizer we just saved, we can load up my tokenizer and then use autotokenizer.fromPretrained and specify the model directory where the tokenizer is saved. It's the same with our model, so we can load up my model and then use automodel for sequence classification.fromPretrained and again specifying the model directory where our model is saved.